Here we have from Wish.com an HD 1080p sports camera. Looks pretty awesome. You know, a couple buttons to adjust things like the zoom. Pretty simple. Battery goes back there, cards in there. On and off button. Button to start it. Pretty basic. Now, the problem is, right there, the pursuit of high pixel customers, please do not buy. What? But it says it's 1080p right there. Not quite understanding this. That is, 1080p is high pixel. 1920 by 1080. But wait, it only records at 640 by 480. That seems to be a bit of a problem. I would have to say that, yeah, I did not get what I was looking for at all. Did not meet the specs as listed on the Wish website. So, big thumbs down.